Hello, today we're going to install a Better Home Products electronic deadbolt. So first thing we want to do is put our latch in, our deadbolt latch. When putting it in, you want to make sure that these crosshairs are on the bottom. Your latch is adjustable from 2 3/8 to 2 3/4. So we're going to put our latch in, put our screws in. Okay, once you've done that, then you're going to put on your keypad. When putting your keypad, the wire is going to go underneath the latch. Your tailpiece is going to go horizontally through the crosshairs. Just make sure that your tailpiece is turned to the unlock position or towards the hinge side of the door. So once you got that on, you're going to put your back plate. You're going to make sure that the wire goes through this bottom hole and your tailpiece goes to the center hole here. Like so. Then you're going to install your deadbolt screws. So when you tighten this up, don't tighten it up all the way. That way you can make some adjustments. So look at it, make sure everything's straight, everything's the way you want it. The BHP logo's at the top. And finish tightening it up. Once you've done that, then you're going to put on your battery cover and its components. The wire has a red dot on here and a red dot on here. Those two need to be connected together. Also, you want to make sure that your thumb turn is turned to the unlock position or the hinge side of the door. So connect your wire. Once you've done that, you're going to put in these 3 screws here, these 2 and the one on the bottom. Again, don't tighten them up too tight. Straighten it up and get it adjusted the way you need to. Then you're going to take your wood screw and stick it under here where the batteries go. You finish tightening everything down. Install your batteries. And then you're going to put your cover on. When putting your cover on, stick it halfway on like this and push straight down. And that's what it'll look like.